All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to me. GM to you. Here is a quick update on how to cash out on dogstoken. They announced today that they will be listing the airdrop of dogs for everybody on the 20th of August this month. But a lot of people can't wait, most especially newbies. They can't wait because that 20 is very far, honestly. So if you want to quickly sell your token, your dogs token, right now, today, tomorrow, before the 20th of August, there's a way you can do it right now. Just go to your Telegram, open the dogs bot. When you open it, you see where you connect your wallet, and down below you see an image of dogs. Click and press it, hold it. When you hold it, then you bark like a dog like this. When you do that, when you back, you will see money in your wallet. We cash out immediately. Just do that ASAP. It's very simple. Then you cash out. GG's to you. Good morning. Let's fucking go, guys.